It's your girl Misha, and you are watching Cooking with Dimples. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. If you like my content, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. You can leave any comments that you may have, and please share with anybody that you wish. Just make sure you hit that like button. And to all my dimplets, welcome back, loves. So the other day I decided to make a pot of pozole for my family, and I thought, why not whip out my camera so that I could share this recipe with you guys. So I hope you guys really enjoy it. Let's get right into it. Okay guys, so for this recipe I have 4 pork chops that I had left over from the night before. I have a pork shoulder picnic pack for pozole. And I have a pack of pork steaks. The chiles that I use is Chile Arbol, Guajillo chilies, and Chile Ancho chilies. I also used oregano, salt, 2 whole cloves of garlic, bay leaves, Knorr beef bouillon. You're going to need a couple onions. And last but not least, you're going to need hominy, 1 big can. Okay, you are going to clean your pork very good and add them to a large pot or Dutch oven. Okay, so you're going to add about 1.5 gallons of water. You can add more if needed. 1 whole head of garlic and 1 whole onion to your pot. Bring to a boil, cover, and simmer. Okay, so at this time, we are going to get started with our red sauce that goes inside of the pozole. I use 5 ancho chilies, 7 guajillo chilies, and a handful of Chile Arbol. Okay, so after you have boiled your chiles for about 20 minutes, you are going to add them into a blender with about 1/4 of an onion, 7 cloves of garlic. You're going to add some bouillon. I use pink salt, but you can use regular kosher salt, and about 1 cup of water. And you're going to get that all blended together. Okay, so to remove the seeds and the chile, once your mixture is done in the blender, you're going to get a fine strainer. And you're going to pour the liquid in there, and you're just going to sift it through so you're just left with the juice. You're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil into a skillet or a pot, and you're going to pour the juice into there, and you're just going to let it simmer for about 2 minutes just to reduce it a little bit before you pour it into your pot. Okay, so now I've had my pork boiling for about 1 hour. I've just added my red sauce, and now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oregano. I'm also going to add 4 tablespoons of Knorr beef bouillon. I added 3, but then went back and added an extra 1 for added flavor. Also, I don't show it on here, but I added 10 bay leaves. And then we are going to put the top back on and let this simmer for about 1 more hour to 1.5 hours, probably 1.5 hours, until your meat is tender. Once you can cut through your meat very easily with a fork or a spoon, then it is tender and it is ready to add your hominy. Okay, so you are going to drain your hominy first and then add it to your pot. Add your lid back on your pot, and you are going to boil this for about 30 to 40 minutes until your hominy is tender. Now, this next step is completely optional. I'm about to show you how to make a red sauce. It's very, very spicy, and you will put it on top. You can just drizzle it over your pozole once your bowl is done. Okay, so you are going to add a medium skillet full of Chile Arbol. If I had to guess, maybe about 30 to 40 chiles. And 1 tablespoon of oil in a skillet and 2 garlic cloves. And you are going to saute them for about 2 minutes. Okay, so after you've simmered the peppers for about 2 minutes, you are going to add them into your blender. And this part is pretty simple and is pretty precise. So you are going to add 4 black peppercorns, 2 cloves, a pinch of a Mexican seasoning called Mejorana, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cups of water, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. And you are going to get them blended all up. At first, your sauce will be kind of greenish. You are going to keep blending until it becomes a dark red. It will take about a minute to 2. OMG, you guys. Will you take a look at this pot of goodness right here? This is the perfect, rich, dark red color that you're going to want. This is the perfect amount of juice that you're going to want. You are going to want to have juice in every serving. So make sure you have enough juice, you guys. I'm now going to get a bowl and I'm going to get it all plated for you guys. Okay, Dimplets, well that concludes my video for my homemade pozole. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, once again, don't forget to hit that like button one time for your girl. And I will be back with you guys soon with another video. I love you guys so much. Smooches.